Guys, it's Matthew again, and today is 1st of March 2026. This is our fifth strategy for today. Happy new month to everyone. So here we're going to be trading the Boom 500 index. So we've been on this series for the past 1 month now. We got some feedbacks from all our viewers. Some of them send us direct message as well, and we saw the comments in some of the videos that we should continue with the accumulator series. They make a lot of money last month, no doubt. So we're dropping the Boom 500 and 300 index on this channel, then V91X, 101X, and 101X on the other channel. So make sure you subscribe to all the channels to watch all the strategies we'll be dropping this week, first week of March 2026. So here we're going to be trading the Boom 500 index and the accumulator. So once you log into your trading account, go to the trader Boom 500 index and go to the momentum, click on the momentum, click on MACD, and the trade type here, go to accumulator, set it grow to 5% and enter the amount you want to stake, and take profit market and set it to 5 USD. So we're going to be waiting for this number to hit 31. This number, once it's 31, you're going to click on buy. So sometimes it could rebound fast. You can see it has rebounded right there, so you have to be very patient. It could take a while for it to hit 31, but once it's 31, sometimes it even skip 31, but any number after 30 you click on buy, and you have to be smart with it, you have to be fast with it. So let's wait for the number 20, 21. It rebounded back to 0 again, so you have to be very careful, watch carefully. $18, $19, $20, $21. It rebounded back again. So you can see, if you notice, if you watch all our previous videos, you will notice that the Boom index rebound faster than the volatility. So it rebounded again. It's 24. Remember, we're waiting for 31. 27, 28, 30, 31. So we're going to click on buy right there, and let's wait for the outcome of that trade. So you can see we made 5.10 right there. You have to be patient when trading the Boom index. So we're going to trade again. Let's just watch so these are buy sell indicator. You can see some trades are in profit right there, some are still red, but we're gonna let's close this right there. So some are still red, but they're gonna hit profit regardless. So this is a buy sell indicator. We're still giving it away for free, and it works on Deriv MT5 interface, and also works on other Forex broker platforms that support MT5. It shows you when to buy and when to sell. You can see the last signal here on the Euro USD. You can see this is a sell signal. It went all the way down, and this is a buy signal. It's still going all the way up. But you have to be online to use this indicator. It also works on other Forex broker platforms that support MT5, and you can use it to trade your synthetic indices on Deriv and also the Forex pairs, the Boom crash. You can see it on the V10 here, 75 and 25, and also Euro USD on 1 minute chart. You can also put it on any chart on the time frame. 15, 30, 1 hour, and all that. So we're giving it away for free. For those who don't have a trading account, you can get this indicator for free. All you have to do is to sign up for a free trading account using this link. We're going to paste the link in the video description on YouTube. Then subscribe to all these channels. This is the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. Subscribe to all our channels. Then send an email with the subject free indicator with the last 2 digits of the account. Once you confirm the sign up, we'll send the indicator to you for free. We check all sign ups, so make sure you send the right number, or else you won't get any response from us. So for those who already have a trading account, use this link right here to order the indicator for $12 if you already have a trading account. And for our pip stripper bot and the top skipper bot, they work on Deriv and they're still effective. You can order them on the order page. This is the link to order the pip stripper bot. We'll paste the link in the video description on YouTube. And this is the link to order the top skipper bot. So all these infos, you will see them in the video description on YouTube. And if you order any of our bots, you get the indicator for free. And if you order the indicator, you also get the bots for free. And you also get some other free gift as well. Don't forget to subscribe to all our channels. Don't forget to subscribe. For those who don't have a trading account, here is the link to subscribe to sign up for a free trading account to test the strategies on demo. And here are the links to subscribe to our channels. That's the first channel, this is the second channel, and this is the third channel. There are other infos as well that might be useful to you. Check the video description on YouTube. So let's place one more trade. Remember, we're waiting for 31, which has passed, so we have to wait again for it to rebound. We have to wait again for it to rebound. That's 5, 7. That's rebounded. That's 31. So we can still go in right there. So you can see we won that trade right there. So that's going to be our last trade. That's going to be our last trade. Don't forget to share the videos. Thanks for watching. Subscribe, like, thumbs up, comments. See you guys next time. Bye.